Hi, welcome to my channel. Today it's bird photography. Join me. It feels like I'm in a staring contest. I'm staring at the owl is staring at me. Nobody moves. Who will do the first move? Whoever does loses. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see how long I'll wait. It's evening now, and it could be that he's nesting here. And then I can go here early in the morning. Hopefully the weather tomorrow is a little bit calmer. So I could try to get closer if it wasn't for the fact that I'm limited to this trail. It's a bird sanctuary, so you're only allowed to walk on the trail. And I'm sitting on it right now. Hope that's okay. So it's quite far distance. I'm guessing it's about 300 meters or so. It's quite a tiny owl, so it isn't much of a picture. So I hang on for a while. Then we'll see. Yeah, you guessed it. I lost. I had to go. It was taking ages, and I wasn't dressed for sitting there in the wind. It's quite cold. It's just about 10 degrees or something like that. And I was a little bit sweaty after walking in several kilometers. So I'm heading back to the car, and hopefully I see something else. Just when I thought I'd give up and go back to the car, I saw these two hen harriers flying in the air, showing up some kind of display. Very nice. It is really frustrating right now because they are flying just between me and the sun. I hope they could change location to my other side. That will never happen. That was a nice experience. The backlit, I think that could work actually. But I had to make a hasty retreat since I stepped into a nest of bees. And they wasn't that happy that I was there, so I took this as a cue to exit to the right, heading back for a car. Good morning to you. It's almost 5 in the morning and it's time to get out and out to the bird sanctuary here at Fokstumyra in Norway. It was a nice experience seeing those elk slowly walk away in the mist. It turned out to be two other photographers that spooked them a little bit, but it was okay. I got some pictures. I'm heading out to a place where I saw the short-eared owl yesterday. Hopefully I can see it hunt in this morning light. That would be nice, I think. So there's no sign of the owl, so I will be heading back further up, see if I can see the hen harriers again. It's days like this that most people want, you know. Bright skies, sun is up, no wind. Perfect day for being outdoors and enjoying the weather. But for me as a photographer, it's quite a bummer. Yeah. The air heats up and it starts to move, and that makes it hard to get any good pictures with any distance. You have to be really close. And also the wildlife tend to hide out. They don't like the heat. Most of them don't, unless they are very hungry. So that's why I'm quitting this for this morning and heading back to the car and having some breakfast. You know, you have to have breakfast early in the morning. So that will wrap up this bird photography episode, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing. Hey, leave a comment, who knows, I might learn something. Anyway, I appreciate it, and I'll see you next one. Bye.